So we're just going to talk you through the tones on the receiver that you can change. On this deluxe receiver you can change up to 10 alarms and each alarm can have its own tone. So we start by holding the P button and flicking it over. This time round though we wait till individual LED shows. And then you go up and down with the volume buttons. Press the P button to skip. Repeat the process. Go all the way through, high pitch, low pitch, all through your alarms. Switch it off, switch it back on so it holds the program. It's that simple.